another $100,000 per year.
Will your salary decide H-1B visa allotment? Well, days after hiking the fee for new H-1B applications to $100,000, the Donald Trump administration has proposed a new H-1B visa system. The Trump administration has suggested a wage-based selection process for the H-1B program instead of the current lottery system. But what does this mean? It means that if annual requests for the H-1B visas exceed the statutory limit of 85,000, or if demand surpasses supply, the allocation process would prioritize applications by employers paying higher wages. The US Department of Labor has a 4-tier wage system for H-1B visas, where Level 1 is for entry-level workers, Level 2 for qualified professionals, Level 3 for experienced professionals, and Level 4 for highly specialized senior workers. Under the wage-based selection process, Level 1 and Level 2 workers are unlikely to be considered for the H-1B visas, while the high-paying Level 3 and Level 4 workers would still be eligible. The total wages paid to H-1B workers would increase to $502 million in fiscal year 2026, which begins on October 1st, the notice said, citing US Department of Homeland Security estimates. Wages would increase by $1 billion in fiscal 2027, $1.5 billion in fiscal 2028, and $2 billion in fiscal 2029 to 2035, it said. Now, will selection be strictly based on higher wages? The DHS has proposed changes prioritizing applications of higher paid foreign workers in the H-1B program, but it doesn't mean the visa allocation would only be based on salary. That process would favor the allocation of H-1B visas to higher skilled and higher paid aliens while maintaining the opportunity for employers to secure H-1B workers at all wage levels, the proposal said. So will a wage-based H-1B visa lottery hurt entry-level Indian talent? Well, India is currently the biggest beneficiary of the H-1B visa program and hence stands to lose the most with this proposed reform. In 2024, out of approved H-1B visas, India's accounted for dominant 71%, while China followed far behind with only 11.7%. Having a wage-based lottery system would decrease total demand for skilled immigration, particularly affecting aspiring immigrants who are entry-level workers. So what's next? Well, this is still a proposal. DHS will accept public comments for 30 days after it is published in the Federal Register. If approved, the new system would likely take effect for the fiscal year 2026 H-1B lottery.